Hi there everyone, this is Jake Rodriguez Pomprada from Bacolod City, Negros Occidental, Philippines. As we continue our C++ programming series, in this video tutorial, we will learn how to write a program to find the square of a given number using C++ as our programming language. Before we continue, please, if you like this video tutorial, please like, share, subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. So let's get started. We are already here in our Div C++ 5.11 IDE or Integrated Development Environment. So the first thing that we will do is to write the comment. Let's say for example, / represent the comment in C++, and then the name square underscore root.cpp. This will be our file name. Next, the author of this program, in this case me, Jake Rodriguez Pomperada. Today is the date, October 16, 2019. Today is Wednesday. The time is 4:50 in the morning, Philippine Standard Time. Next, sharp include IOStream. This library file, the sharp include IOStream, is being used for input-output commands in C++. So just like cin and cout. Next, we will use the math library file, the cmath. Okay, next, using names space std int main. The int main is a function where your program starts to read by your compiler, and then the starting point of any program execution in C++. We will declare two variable, int number equals 0 and result equals 0. Now, if you wonder why it is I always initialize my variable to 0, there is a reason behind that. If we don't put an initial value of 0 in our variable, in this case we are using an integer. In C++, an integer refers to a data type that has a positive and negative whole number including 0. There are some instances that it will generate wrong results if we don't initialize our variable to 0. So make it a good programming practice to initialize your variables to 0 if you are using an integer, for example. Next, we will have two new lines, escape sequence, and then we have here the title of a program, square root converter in C++. This will be the title of our program, semicolon, end of the statement, new line again. Okay, so console out, we are prompting our user to give a number. Give any integer number. Okay, next, cin number. So here is for our input, and then we will call the assignment statement result sqrt. We have here number, semicolon, assignment statement, and then we have here new line, and then we will display the result plus the square of number is result. And then we have here the statement that tells the user that the program is already ended. End of program. Okay, we are already through with our program, so let us recap the things that we have done, no? So we have here the two library file in C++, the IOStream in CMAT, and then in our main function we have two variables, the result and number. In this portion there is the title of our program, square root converter in C++, and then here we have here asking the user to give any integer number input. Okay, so in this area of our code we have here the assignment statement result, and then we are calling this function sqrt. This functions belongs in this library file CMAT, so we cannot use this function if we don't declare this library file first in our program. And then we pass a variable here. It will act as a passing parameter in our program, that is number, and then we will display the result in this portion and then end of our program. Now after we are through, the next step that we will do is to save our program. So very simple, press Control S. Okay, we will create here a folder, and then we will name the folder square root. Double click this folder, and then we will type the file name, square underscore root.cpp. Now take note that the file name of our program is square underscore root, and then the extension is .cpp, and then click the save button. Okay, so the next step is to check for syntax error. We go to execute, compile, or press F9. Let us wait. Okay, we don't have any syntax error, so we can run our program. So let's say for example 144 square root converter in C++. The title of our program, give any integer number 144. It will give us 12 as its square root equivalent. Press the enter key. So here we got it. The square of 144 is 12. Okay, so let us have another example. Run. Let's say for example 16. Enter. The square of 16 is 4. Okay, last example. When we run, we can have 9. So give an integer number 9, so the square of 9 is 3. Okay, so we have successfully written a program that will find the square root value of a given number in C++. Before you end, if you like this video tutorial, please click the like button, share, leave a comment in the comment section of this video tutorial, and subscribe to my channel for more upcoming video tutorials. Thank you very much guys for watching this video tutorial until to the next video tutorial. This is Jake Rodriguez Pomperada from Bacolod City, Philippines. Bye bye for now.